This is Kelvin Newflow, St. Louis. I'm at 7400 Rupert Ave, 63117. We're now pushed all the way out to a ditch that we excavated next to the boiler room from a main waste stack in the bathroom in the basement. We'll pull back shell connection to the pipe. We will line from the base of the stack all the way out to the cast of clay. Also, we're doing a 2-inch line. Cracks throughout this system. This Y goes back to a floor drain. Major hole on top of the pipe right there. This goes back to the toilet sweep. Here's the base of the stack. Coming up and out of the stack. So it's in the bathroom area. This has been a pre-liner video for a CIPP liner, cure-in-place pipe liner, at 740 Rupert Ave, 63117.